Hello everyone, Mari and Jerome here from the Bonsai Supply.
Today you're gonna see a video that we made about a month ago when we were at the store still. However, our location in Florida is closed during this quarantine, and we hope you are staying safe and that you're using this time to do some bonsai. And
I hope that you guys enjoyed this week's episode. What's up guys, and welcome to this week's episode of We Are the Bonsai Supply. I am Jerome, and today we're gonna start another pre-bonsai. So this is a Jaboticaba, and I chose this from our pre-bonsai section. And so today I'm gonna go ahead and defoliate the tree, and I'm gonna wire the tree and really style it and bring out the best possible tree that it can be. If you want to acquire this tree, at the end of the video, I'm gonna explain you how you can actually get a hold of this tree by going to our online auction page, but I'm gonna explain you a little more about that at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around until the end. So let's get right to it. Alright, so a few things to know about the Jaboticabas is that they are from Brazil, and they do grow grapes, but instead of growing them, or not a grape but a fruit, and instead of growing them on the outside of the branches, they actually grow them along the trunk line. And they look like a grape because they're very big and round. They do turn purple, so they come out green and then they turn purple. And I think to me it kind of tastes kind of like a lychee nut, more or less. It has a very thick skin and a lot of juice. They're actually really delicious. They also flower. They have a white flower, but once again, instead of for the trees to flower out on the branches, they flower on the trunk. The trees have to mature a little more in order for them to start to flower. However, this tree will start to flower. Jaboticabas also exfoliate the bark, so that's why you see these different textures on the bark, because as they grow, they do start to shed the bark, kind of like a lizard. So that's a very cool feature as well. Jaboticabas do not like to grow in full sun, so they do like to grow in a like in filtered light underneath another canopy of another tree. So if you have like a big tree that grows in the backyard and you have your tree underneath that tree canopy, where this tree gets filtered light, this tree would do really well in that environment. The Jaboticabas like a lot of heat, so make sure you move them inside and protect them during the winter time when the night temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That's when you want to make sure you protect them from the cold. You can go ahead and defoliate them just like any other tropical tree, and they come right back. In terms of soil, they do like coarse soil, so our soil mixture would be perfect for this tree, which is made out of lava rock, pumice, calcined clay, and pine bark. So enough said, I'm going to go ahead now and defoliate the tree, and I'm going to start to style it. Alright, so this tree is finished for today. I put a little wire here at the bottom of the base so that you can see what I chose as my front for the tree. I like the way that there's a nice root in the front, and I like the way that the trunk is going back and then coming up, and it has a nice movement to the side. And then I have my first branch here, my second branch, my third, another branch, and then the apex eventually up here, which needs to be developed just a little more. But in about 2 weeks, this tree will be completely covered in full leaves, and I'm going to show you the update to that as well. Jaboticabas, one thing to know is that the branches are extremely brittle, so you want to make sure that you only wire the young growth. They're still very pliable, branches that are as thick as like this trunk, you would not be able to bend them anymore because you could break the branches very easily. They snap. Also, Jaboticabas have a very shallow root system, so you could actually pot this tree in a very shallow pot, and I'm thinking like an oval pot, shallow. I think that would look extremely cool. And maybe if the pot was like purple or black to go along with the color of the flowers, and I think that would look amazing. Jaboticabas are also really good indoor trees, and a lot of people might not know that, but if you have them next to a window where they get a lot of direct sunlight, they do extremely well also. So I know that you guys have been dying to know how to acquire this tree since the beginning of the video. Right now on our website, thebonsaisupply.com, we have a live auction and you can go bid on this tree that I worked on in this week's episode. So happy bidding and good luck to you.
We also are looking for ways to stay connected, so we're using the hashtag #StayAtHomeAndBonsai on our Instagram. So if you are working on a tree or you want to share a picture with us, letting us know that you're also doing bonsai during this time, just tag us and use the hashtag #StayAtHomeAndBonsai. We also have an online bonsai boot camp going on. There's short courses, straight to the point, tricks and tips with bonsai artists. We have a styling wiring class with Jerome through Zoom, so that's fun. We actually started last Saturday, right?
Yeah.
We hope you can join any of these programs while you're at home and staying safe.
And thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting us, and we'll catch you guys next time.